As elegant women, why is it important to have boundaries and maintain a measure of privacy? Why can being an open book be dangerous? How can you continue to be a feminine woman who is elegant but also has an aura of mystery about her? Well, continue watching to find out. My lovely elegant ladies, welcome back to another video. My name is Vivian, the founder of Woman of Elegance, which is a platform to help women globally become sophisticated, classy and elegant ladies. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can become a high caliber woman by being private, setting boundaries and maintaining high standards. Number one, let your mystery be inexplicable. Sometimes people see you in different places, different environments. You're always glowing, you live a fabulous life, and you always seem to be happy, especially if you're that kind of lady who is quiet and unpredictable. However, people can't just come up to you and ask you questions about who you're with, what you were doing, where you were doing it. That's because you maintain boundaries. It is always good to keep people guessing. In order to do this, it is important to set boundaries. How are you able to do this? This involves having specific trusted people that you divulge information to. In my 20s, I made the mistake of thinking everyone around me was trustworthy, that I could tell people secrets, tell people private information, and how wrong was I? I was so naive to think that people were discreet. I've learned from this, however, and know that not everything has to be divulged. This leads me on to my second point. Number two, don't be an open book. I'm sure you've heard of the term an open book. If you open a book at a random spot and you read those 2 pages, you get an idea of what the book is about or what the author is trying to convey. In the same way, by being an open book, you get an idea of what a person is about. One of the traits of an elegant woman is to leave people guessing and wondering what you're really about. For example, you may have a presence on social media or be an influencer. Brands pay you to advertise their products. However, people might be intrigued about you. They want to know who you're about, who the person behind the brand is, so to speak. However, this doesn't give people the automatic right to know everything about you. If you divulge too much information, then you leave nothing to the imagination. People will start to think that they have an immediate right of access to you and that they can ultimately judge you. Even if you're not active on social media, you can still run the risk of sharing everything about you, your thoughts, your feelings, your relationships, how angry you are, how sad you are. Don't make this mistake. People can rarely change your circumstance, so what is the point of divulging everything to people? Also, ladies, be aware that some people are awaiting your downfall, unfortunately. This is just the world that we live in. So be discerning and only share things with people that you can trust implicitly. Number three, contain your excitement. Sometimes, ladies, when we experience something good or we get some good news, it's really easy to just be so excited and do things on a whim, do things randomly for people. For example, if we've been promoted at work and we've been waiting for ages for this promotion, we can find ourselves telling our girlfriends everything and doing things spontaneously, like buying a round of drinks for the girls and just telling people things you probably normally wouldn't. In these circumstances, it's important to show restraint. These positive moments are fleeting. They will pass, so we don't want to find ourselves regretting something that we've said or done because of how we were feeling at any given time. A person who comes to mind is Beyonce. She's had an incredible career spanning 2 decades and she's had some incredible moments, beautiful experiences, but throughout that time she has maintained privacy, keeping the things and the people that are valuable and sacred to her private. In the same way, ladies, never do things because you're excited, because you're happy at a particular moment. Wait a few days, and if you still feel the same way, go ahead and tell your friend whatever you wanted to say. Elegant women maintain mystery about them, never letting their guard down. Number 4, don't let them see everything about your relationship. Okay, we all know that feeling. We get into a relationship, we're on cloud 9, we want everybody to know how happy we are. We want everyone to see the incredible man that we have. Ladies, it's natural to feel all kinds of positive feelings when we found someone new. On the other hand, we could have been married for 20 years. No matter what bracket we fall into, ensure that you don't give people free rein into your relationship. It is so important for us to keep our marriage or relationship away from jealous, nosy, and entitled people. These people will always be there, and some people are waiting for you to fail. Of course, you can show snippets of your relationship. After all, a marriage is not a private matter, but however, what goes on inside a marriage certainly is private and sacred. And you don't want to risk spoiling something so valuable because you've allowed people to infiltrate it. Number 5, be confident without compromising your integrity. On this elegance journey, it's no secret that confidence is important. Now, why do I say this? When you are changing to become a better person overall, it takes guts to follow it through because you will stick out like a sore thumb, and it takes dedication. You will be different, but absolutely in a good way. Becoming elegant is about refinement and transformation. However, ladies, you can be confident in your mind and body without compromising your integrity. You don't have to show every single part of your body to be confident, no matter what the media portrays. You don't have to do outlandish things to get people's attention. You can be quietly confident, and this in itself is a skill that you must learn. If you are confident without ever feeling the need to be the center of attention, this will serve you positively in helping you to maintain your mystery. Number 6, don't talk too much. It absolutely makes my blood boil when I see a beautiful, elegantly presented woman who just doesn't know how to stop talking. She doesn't know when to stop. Trust me, ladies, if you are fabulous, people will notice. If you give too much away, people will eventually get bored. You need to be mysterious and to keep people guessing. For example, if somebody asks you questions about yourself, then it's okay to just give them basic information, basic details. You wouldn't start talking about salary band or your divorce. If you do things like this, you keep people entertained. Ladies, you're not a clown. You're not there to keep people entertained. That's not your job. Do not allow people to laugh at your expense. Ladies, be sure to watch my video, Master the Art of Conversation, where I give you tips on how you can be memorable and maintain mystery when you're conversing with people. Thank you for watching.